Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can remove image like the background image from your images with Photopea. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you want your image to do something like this, you just need to be follow these guidelines. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually we are going to create a new project, then select the FB page cover. This will be quite good, and here I will just place my image. So I will go back to this place and I have white image here, so I will search for this image and then I will drag and drop to that place, and I will increase the size of the image and then I will place it here. As you can see it how easy the process was to drag and drop, and then just click to this button, and here actually I will select this right hand side tool, like left hand side tool. It's called magic wand quick selection and object selection. So you will find out this option in the left corner. So here you just need to select this object selection. By this one you can easily select an object without any problem. So here you can see it. Let's select whole image. So here you can see we already selected. So if you feel that it's not quite good to select this way, so you can start from the beginning again and then select the magic wand, and you can come over that place and select one by one whole things by manually. You can select this one also, quick selections, and then you can select the whole procedure. And once you feel that your selection is really good and you probably select significant place and now you want to make it transparent and want to remove the background, you just need to be select this one and then come back to the right side corner and the bottom, and you will find out the options called add retro marks. So you just need to click over here, and as you can see it already been removed, the whole background already removed. So this is the easiest way to remove your background from your image. So we did not do it perfectly, but this is the similar way. You just need to follow it, and when you work on the tool like this quick selection, you just need to do it properly so you can select the main object only. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.